Hello, today's recipe is about healthy food. Yeah, the name of this food is Memosa. Ingredients are right here. Please check it out. Quite an easy, simple recipe. Banana, iceberg lettuce, and tomato. Make sure you wash this lettuce very well. And we're gonna cut this into shredded cut. Shredded cut means this is what I'm cutting now. This is known as shredded cut. Put them in a cold, chilled water. Take tomato and cut into dice. Dice means this cut is known as dice. Dice looks nice and quite simple. Let's cut it. See, that's how it looks. Nice and fresh. So let's take banana, cut into half. Cut into half. Then cut it again. Cut it again. Then give a slant cut. Yeah, this is what I like, this kind of cuts. That looks nice. Let's mix into tomato. Slight mix, gentlemen, ladies. You have to be very careful with this. Let's make dressing now. To make dressing, I got olive oil here, 4 tablespoons. Vinegar, 4 tablespoons as well. Then whole grain mustard. You can use any mustard, whatever you get, not a problem. Pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, use normal salt or rock salt. Sea salt will be great enough. And this is pepper grinder. And whisk it. Whisk it at least for 10 seconds. It will become nice and thick. That's good for the dressing. That will make your salad more tasty and appetite. So let's mix all these ingredients together, including dressing, a slight mix, give a nice toss. Yeah, there you go. In 3 minutes, your beautiful, marvelous salads are ready. You can enjoy this anytime, especially for lunch or dinner. That's a perfect diet and healthy fruit salad or vegetable salad, you can say as well. It's amazing. Try this salad, you're gonna love it. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Good day.